Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset for your speaker EDIFIER MS50A using application. You have to start by open EDIFIER Home app, and of course you need to add this speaker to the application. Then you will see it at the device list and you need to tap on it. After that, go to the settings at the right side, and you need to scroll down just a bit. Right here at the bottom we have Restore to Factory Settings. Tap at this line and then click Confirm. Now we need to wait just a bit, and then we should to reconnect this speaker with the application. Here we go. Now click at the plus near to devices. Select your speaker. Here we have EDIFIER MS50A. Then you need to swap to Wi-Fi mode, and it means that this LED light should blinking.
Now in setup mode. Follow the instructions in your device's companion app.
So this LED light should blinking white. And then after you see that it's blinking, click I'm in setup mode and continue. Tap at your device here. Then right here you need to select network and write a password, and after that click next. Okay, this time we have some trouble, so I need to click Reconnect.
Connected to Wi-Fi.
And now click Done. We did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!